Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a loose fuel cap on your Nissan Altima. First, let's understand why a loose fuel cap is a problem. It can cause your check engine light to illuminate, reduce fuel efficiency, and even allow harmful emissions to escape. We'll cover how to identify the issue, what tools you might need, and the straightforward steps to get your fuel cap sealing properly again. Let's dive in and get your Altima running smoothly. To diagnose the problem, start by ensuring the cap is simply tightened correctly. Listen for at least 3 clicks when securing it. Next, carefully remove the cap and examine the rubber O-ring seal. Look for any visible cracks, tears, or flattening that could prevent a tight seal. Also, check the fuel filler neck for any dirt, rust, or damage that might interfere with the cap's ability to seat properly. These visual checks are crucial for pinpointing the exact issue. If your current cap is just dirty, clean the fuel filler neck thoroughly with a soft, damp cloth to remove any debris. If the O-ring is the culprit, you might be able to replace just the seal, but often a full cap replacement is more effective. When buying a new cap, ensure it's specifically designed for your Nissan Altima to guarantee a perfect fit. Install the new cap, turning it until you hear those 3 distinct clicks, confirming a secure seal. To prevent future issues, always make sure to tighten your fuel cap until you hear at least 3 clicks after refueling. This ensures a proper seal and prevents the check engine light from coming on. Periodically inspect the cap seal and the filler neck for any signs of wear or damage. While it's important to tighten it, avoid excessive force, as over-tightening can actually damage the cap's internal mechanism or the O-ring. Replacing your fuel cap every 5 to 7 years is also a good preventative measure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.